Meaning of institutional.
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 Institutional. The term institutional generally relates to something that is established within an organization or institution, such as a company or government. It can also refer to something that is widely accepted or recognized as part of a larger societal or cultural system. For example, institutional racism refers to the systemic discrimination and biases that are embedded in societal institutions like laws, policies, and practices. Similarly, institutional investing refers to the practice of large organizations investing money on behalf of others, such as pension funds or endowments.